Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then definitely hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you. Today I am going to be doing a tutorial on this really pretty glam Valentine's Day look. If you'd like to see how I achieve this makeup look, then stay tuned. For today's eye look, I'm going to be using two separate palettes. First one we're going to dive into, the Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. We're only going to be using one shade from here, and that's going to be Eden. It's this really beautiful coral pink color. I'm going to take that on a fluffy brush. I'll be using my Morphe M433 brush, and we're going to blend this out all over the eyelid. You're also going to want to wing it out as well. Alright, now that we've got a nice wing created and we've got that color blended out all over the eyelid, we're going to move on to our next color, and that's coming out of the Celestial Thunder palette by Dominique Cosmetics. There's a beautiful hot pink in here. It's called Lucid Dream. It's this one right here. So we're going to dive into that using my Morphe M441 brush. Now with this color, we're going to focus it really on the outer corners of the eyes, and we're going to create a wing shape with that as well. For the inner eyelid, we're going to be adding on a nice shimmer, and I'm going to use the Ofra highlighter and Pillow Talk. It's a very nice pink shimmery shade. And I'm going to pick that up on one of my Morphe brushes, the E10. So go ahead and tap into that. We'll pat that on to the inner part of our eye. Perfect. Next thing I'm going to do is add on a wing liner and clean up the edges with some concealer. I'm going to do that off camera, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. So I added my wing on, and then what I did from there is I got a little bit of concealer on a flat brush, and I just swiped right up so that way I could create a nice wing. Add a little bit of mascara, and as always, I'll be using my Milk Makeup Mascara in Kush. I'm pretty excited for falsies. I got a new pair by House of Lashes. I'm going to be using the style Rose Quartz. That's what they look like. Super, super pretty. For foundation, I'll be using my Too Faced Born This Way in the shade Light Beige. Next, we'll be moving on to concealer. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium. Next, we'll be setting the under eyes with the Kylie Jenner Translucent Powder in the shade Translucent. And while we let that set, we're gonna start working on our lips. I put on just a little bit of chapstick. It helps get really dry out here. But for lips, we're going to be using the shade Brick, and that is from Dose of Colors. Perfect. Now we're just going to wipe away our bake underneath. And we'll move into bronzer. For my bronzer today, I'll be using Give Me Sun by MAC. I'm going to pick that up on my Morphe R7 brush. Okay, last thing that's up is highlighter, and for that I'm going to be using that same shade that I used on the eye, Pillow Talk by Ofra, and I'll be diving into that using my Morphe M510 brush. And we're all set. I'll be right back. I'm gonna finish up doing my hair off camera. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the finished look. I hope you love it. I fell in love with it. I really hope that you guys have a great Valentine's Day and that you guys try and recreate this look. If you do, definitely tag me in it. I'd love to see how it came out. Other than that, I guess this video is done. Have a great day. Have a great Valentine's Day. Enjoy your week. Enjoy the month. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye!